One day, Thomas was beginning to find the treasure. "Wow," said Thomas. And Thomas was glad he found the treasure. But then he didn't notice there was a crane. His arm looked like an anchor. "Hurry up, crane," Thomas said. He moved a little forward. And Thomas raced out the door. "I can't wait to..." Thomas was nervous. "Uh-oh," Thomas. He shoved up the hill. "Whoa." Whoa, said Thomas. "Whoa! Oh my God, that was so scary. I won't do that again." "Well, this is my very favorite place."